Hello, good morning Philippines, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to all parts of the world. For today's video, nandito po tayo sa Botanical Garden ng Baguio City. Matagal na akong hindi nakarating dito. The last time I was here, estudyante yata pa ako. So that was like ages ago. And now, dahil dinala namin ang aming mga bisita from Batangas, so I'm here. And ang daming mga pagbabago na nakikita ko dito sa Botanical Garden. It's been like 40 years the last time I was here. So, well, what I don't like is that it's now too many establishments. It's not like before na it's like really pure garden and a lot of trees. Pero ngayon, may mga coffee shop. We just had coffee shop na ang price is like dollar price. One coffee of regular size is 185. So, yun. Wala naman maghanap tayo ng 3-in-1, di ba? So, this is one. I like this part. So, I'm going to show you, guys, the Botanical Garden. Sa mga matagal nang hindi nakarating dito sa Botanical Garden. And for those of you who hasn't been dito sa Botanical Garden at yung mga mahilig sa yung mga plantita-plantito, you are going to enjoy this place. So, let's go. I'll show you some part. Because I don't think I can handle already the up and down the hill of this park. Okay. Yan. Tignan nyo na lang. Wow. It's beautiful. Are those real, Doming?
Yeah.
What do you call this plant? Look at this. Oh, wow. See that? This is nice. Ang kinakatakutan ko lang dito is, but not naman siguro because like ang daming mga take care of the garden. So I should not be afraid of ahas. You know. It's really nice. These are real flowers, guys. Wow. Very mild. Meron siyang smell but very mild. So yung mga may allergies sa flowers, you better take your allergy pill before coming here because there's really a lot of flowers and plants and trees. So ako allergic ako sa trees. Some of the trees allergic ako and some flowers. Kahit pa open ang area is nag-allergy ako. At yung nangyayari sa akin is that hindi ako makahinga. So, meron ako yung pulse oximeter where I keep checking my oxygen level. Sorry po, ang ganda nito oh. Where can we go, Doming, from here? We keep going? Okay. So, ang tagal ko na hindi nagpunta dito. Like, again, like I said, 40 years ago. Estudyante pa ako nung nagpunta ako dito. Kaya, marami na siyang pagbabago. Ayan, si nanay na meron siyang saklay. At sige pa rin siyang naglalakad. So, ibig sabihin, pag PWD ka, I mean, mobility, you know, mayroon kang mobility disability, ayun, ito, it's a, wheelchair friendly po ito. Ito po, merong pagdadaanan ng mga wheelchair. So, maganda na inisip ng park ng Baguio na ilagay ang wheelchair friendly mga daanan po. Kaya yan. It's really nice. Look at all those mga, ang tawag nun? Yung isinasabit sa leeg. Ano na sinasabit sa leeg? Everlasting yan. Maraming mga everlasting. No, Baguio City is known for the everlasting flowers. Yeah.
Kahit daw nilang maggala dito eh.
No, they're not mahilig sa plants, babe, because they are not.
So now, what's now?
So, Henry is the one.
Susundan nyo na lang kayo kung saan kami pupunta yung main?
Yeah, so give me few minutes at magbablog lang ako and then I'll follow. I'll be there. Tanongin mo si Enrique kung saan pupunta and then let me know.
Yeah, meron na siyang itinerary.
Okay, so I'll be there like in 5 minutes.
To 2019.
Yeah, yun lang pag hindi ka mahilig sa plants and flowers, this is a waste of time for you guys to come in. Kasi merong entrance dito na kapag hindi ka taga Baguio, 100 pesos ang isa. Pag taga Baguio ka, ngayon you need to show your ID kapag nagtatagalog ka. Pero kapag nag-Ilocano ka, you don't need to show your ID because I did not need to show my ID. Sinabi ko lang taga Baguio ako but I was speaking in Ilocano. So, yun. Ay, niya tibaga naging kandi siya lang pagkatangam ka nung tikwa. Di ba herbs? Hindi ba dito yon?
No.
What? Strawberry garden? Ay.
Strawberry.
So, ayan, meron pa rin ito, Baguio Filipino Chinese Friendship Garden. Matagal na yan, pero meron pa rin hanggang ngayon. That's nice to know. Meron silang mga souvenir area dito. Be careful with your steps. Yan po. Magpunta kayo dito with your sneakers or slippers. Hindi nakalamigan ng Baguio unlike before. Before, it is so cold in here na talagang kinakailangan mong mag-sweatshirt, kinakailangan mong mag-bonnet. Ayan po, mga bulaklak dito. Oh, ang gaganda nito, oh. Oh. Yan, purple siya. You see, it's full of flowers. Pag mahilig kayo ng mga bulaklak, yes. Pag hindi, you skip Botanical Garden. Ayan po. Yan. Yun lang kung mahilig ka. Gaya ng mga kasama namin, hindi sila mahilig. So, this is not interesting for them. But for me, this is very, very interesting. I'm a garden lover. So, love coming this place. But I cannot go around a lot now because naghihintay ang mga kasama natin. Oh, tignan nyo yung ginawa nila. This is, yan o. Ito yung mga regular lang yan, mga tanim-tanim, halaman natin. Pero dahil nilagay nila sa ganyan, yung tubo, pipe, ayan o, nag-iba yung, umakyat yung ano niya, yung estado niya kumbaga. Ito tawag natin yan dati cactus. So there's so many plants here. And dito yung mga, believe, this is the cactus area. Sandali lang, tingin lang tayo ng cactus. Yan. Okay. Maraming mga cactus dito. Ah, ganyan. May tanim din ako niyan. It's another form of prayer plants. Yun daw mo. Nakadaga. Pag meron yan sa pasuko pero pag nakaalupa, ganda pala oh. Yan. So, ito po ang Botanical Garden. Which, again, like I said, kung kayo ay plantito, then, this is a very nice place for you. Look at this. They have Christmas cactus as well. Wow. Look at all this. Huwag mo lang hawakan dati kay matutusok. Yan, ito yung mga inaalagaan ko nung high school pa ako, yung mga yan. Oh, wow. It's beautiful. Again, 100 pesos lang po ang entrance punta dito sa Botanical Garden. Wow, Dom, look at this. Wow. Ay, wow. Saan galing itong mga imported itong mga to, I'm sure. Yan, may mga ganyan ako sa bahay, which ay baka patay na. Yung mga ganyan ko sa Amerika. O, ito mga hinahanap ko, doming dati, yung mga lumang halaman. Pero tignan mo naman, hinano lang nila, oh. O, diba? Overflow kasi, ang ganda. So, yan po. I wish oh, look, yung prayer plant, nilagay lang nila sa ilalim. Ang lusog gayam doming no nakakway-suna. Nakadaga. Ganda oh. Yan. Marami pa po to. Marami to. Malaki tong area. So, para sa mga mahilig sa halaman, and of course, kayong mga lalaki, pag misis nyo mahilig sa mga halaman, surprise them by bringing them here. It's a very nice place. So, we're gonna see some more of Baguio City.